What do you think when you hear about the term cloud? You may hear things like, you should migrate to the cloud, or your data is in the cloud, or you can work in the cloud. AI, big data, Internet of Things, 5G, a lot of these terms don't make clear what they actually mean. The cloud and cloud computing are maybe one of those terms as well. In the days before cloud computing, businesses had to invest heavily in their IT infrastructure. This meant purchasing physical servers, storage, networking equipment, setting up data centers, and hiring staff to maintain and update this hardware. Every aspect of IT, from the hardware and operating systems to the application layer, needed in-house management and maintenance. So it was obviously costly, time-consuming, and required significant upfront capital investment, and not to mention the space and energy demands of running on-site data centers. So cloud and cloud computing change all of that. Cloud is the on-demand delivery of IT resources over the internet. Instead of buying, owning, and maintaining physical servers and data center, you can access technology services such as computing power, storage, databases, and etc. on-demand basis from a cloud service provider. So now we can understand that the cloud is a real place, and it has nothing to do with that white fluffy things somewhere in the sky. Cloud service providers have thousands of servers and facilities grouped together. And when you use these servers, you can deliver your application over the internet, and that's essentially what cloud computing is, the delivery of computing services over the internet. And you can also think of it as a different way of storing data and sharing application. Instead of running on your local machine or in your internal data center, you are using cloud service providers' servers. So, what kind of services do these providers offer? Well, they have many high-level services to help us access and share our data and applications with others. So, we'll hear categories such as compute services, networking services, storage services, development services, database services, security services, which of course each include many relevant products, and we don't want to delve into them at this moment. Okay, generally speaking, adopting cloud services have many considerable benefits, which includes but not limited to 1. Access to high-performance technologies in one click. 2. Scalability to easily adjust resources as your needs change. 3. Easier implementation of security measures to protect your data. And, most importantly, having cost efficiency. So, you might be asking, how does that work? And to answer that, we have to take a quick look at the term virtualization. So, to quickly cover this term, we have to say that cloud service providers, to maximize the use of their servers, they allow us to share a single server with their other customers through a technology called virtualization. So we can say virtualization is at heart of cloud computing, and it divides the hardware resource on one single physical server into smaller units called virtual machines or virtual instances. Each VM or instance is in its own little server, completely isolated with its own operating system, memory, networking access, and you have this all to yourself. And at last, thanks to the virtualization technology and benefiting from economies of scale by aggregating demand across a large number of customers, cloud service providers can purchase and operate computing resources at a lower cost per unit. So this efficiency enables them to offer us their services at a lower price compared to individual organizations managing their own IT infrastructure. We're wrapping up this video with a quick overview of the top 3 commonly used cloud service providers. On top, there is Amazon Web Services, or AWS, which is a comprehensive and the most widely adopted cloud platform that offers over 200 fully featured managed services. Beyond AWS, there is Microsoft Azure, known for its integration with Microsoft tools and Microsoft ecosystem. And at last, there is Google Cloud Platform, or GCP, which excels in analytics and machine learning services. You can have in mind that each provider has its unique features tailored to different business needs and tech requirements. Okay, that was it for this video, and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.